This is tutorial number 48, and it covers how to create a bill of materials within Solidworks. To start off, let's open up a brand new drawings file. Let's click File, click New, click Drawing, click OK. And for this, we're going to insert an assembly to create a bill of materials from. And we're going to get the TV remote. So let's click Browse, and we'll select the TV remote assembly, click Open. And it's too large again for the drawing template, so let's change the scale and we'll use 1:4. And let's insert our 4 views, click OK, and let's move this view over here, click OK. Now let's insert the bill of materials. So let's click Insert, Tables, Bill of Materials. Now we're able to change the template of the bill of materials, so let's click it, and we're able to choose from any of these bill of material templates. For now, we're just going to use the bill of material template. Click Open, click OK, and now we're able to put in our bill of materials. Click OK. And for this assembly, all that we're getting from it is the part number and the quantity of the parts in the assembly. Now if we included what material it was made of, it would list the material that it's made of, and if we put in a description of it, there would also be a description in the bill of materials. And this concludes our tutorial on the bill of materials within SolidWorks.